Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be doing a slime tester. Well, this girl tested me and said she made a blue and purple clear glittery slime. I think... Oh, I forgot. I had a slime shop. So, yeah. I'm gonna see if I have some, oh, I do have a clear slime, I guess. Hold on, guys. Okay, finally got it. So, I'm gonna open it. So, yeah. I actually have this one. It's like in a container or something. It's like in a little bucket. Oh my god. So she said she wanted this one. And I'm not giving her this one because she's not the queen. And she doesn't deserve it. Because she's not the queen. Oh my god, guys, so good. Oh my god, guys, so over the top. So like, oh my god. This is like glitter in here. I think I'm not gonna give her this one because, oh my god, this one is so good. And don't hate because this is not store-bought, because store-bought slimes are not like this. Oh my god. This is so good. Okay, let's put this back in the container and let's see the blue one. The blue one better be disgusting so we can give her the disgusting slime. Oh my god, guys. Did you just see that? I know you didn't, guys. This is my first time making a video about slime. This is a first slime scanner. Oh my god, this is a thick slime. Why do I always make such good slimes? Oh my god, this is like over the top, so good. I mean, just like, oh my god. Look at this. Just to let you know, guys, this is a XXX sweater. If you guys don't know him, make sure you sponsor him in the comment down below. He got shot. He's not alive anymore. But you should go listen to his music. At the end of the video, I'm gonna go down below in the description box below. I'm gonna show you his songs. I'm gonna show you his channel so you guys can listen to his songs, which are so good. Make sure you give him respect. Rest in peace to him. He was a rapper. Listen to his songs. Well, he wasn't a rapper. He was like a singer rapper. But yeah, make sure you go listen to him. Gonna be in the description box below. His name is XXXTentacion, aka his real name is Jesse Dwayne Onfroy. if you guys were wondering. But this sound is like, oh my god. It's oh my god, guys. So good. Okay, time to put it back in the container. It's so sticky, guys. I make sticky slime. Now it's time to put it back in the container. Hold on, let me take this purple one out first, and then let me put it back in the container, because then we'll know that, yes. I'm not going to take a whole bunch out of the purple slime, because it's very, very, very sticky. How I know is because I made it, and I don't even know if it's sticky or not. Because when I made it, it was like sticky, but not that sticky. But I left it for like 3 or 4 weeks. And now, this is the like 4th week. And, oh my god. Yes. And I don't know if it's like sticky or not. So that's why I'm taking a little bit out. Not a lot. I'm sorry, guys. But now I'm gonna test out the purple one. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, this is very, very sticky. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's not as sticky as, it's not like, it's really sticky. The first 2 that I showed you guys is not even that sticky. Was not as sticky as this one. But this one is like, oh my god. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Look at that. If you're confused of what color this is, that's like a purple. This one's like a purple, pinkish, lavender color. This one is a clear, glittery, and this one is a sky blue, dark blue. Sky dark blue, I guess. Oh my god, the bubble is starting to form into the slime. Oh my god, guys. This is so sticky. I can't get this off my hands. Maybe if I do this. Yeah, maybe if I do that. Guys, oh my god. Bro, I swear. I do not want this slime. This girl, I'm gonna give her this one because this one is too sticky. And I don't care if she doesn't want it or not. She's not the queen. She gets what she gets. Yeah. I am not giving her these 2. I'm gonna give her the purple one. Oh my god. Can't get this off my hands. Anyways, that's the end of my video. And I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to XXX, aka Jesse Onfleury. And then down in the description box below. And yeah, you guys stay safe.